Yes, my dear students. So today we are going to start a new lessons, area of trapezium and polygon. This is not at all a difficult things for you peoples, and obviously here based on the trapezium, first of all you are going to find out some problems that what is actually the trapezium. Now I am going to define first of all what is trapezium. Trapezium, it is a type of quadrilateral. Naturally it is four-sided bounded figure, and quadrilaterals having one pair of the opposite sides, only one pair of the opposite sides if are parallel, then it is known as a trapezium. That is, suppose if here I am going to consider one diagram here, quadrilaterals, in which I am finding that only one pair are parallel. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, in which suppose only AB is parallel to CD, then it is known as a trapezium. AB and CD only are the parallel sides, and other two sides are the non-parallel sides. Obviously these two sides may be equal, may be unequal, that is parallel sides. Okay, it depends. A different type of trapeziums, for the different type of trapeziums, and these non-parallel sides also may be equal, may be non-equal. Suppose if here is a trapezium in which the non-parallel sides are equal, then that type of trapezium is known as isosceles trapeziums. And in isosceles trapeziums, not only the non-parallel sides are equal, at the same time there these two base angles A and B are equal, as well as C and D also are equal. So these are certain properties of trapeziums. Here I am going to explain that how to find the area of a trapezium. Okay, its derivations. It is given in your book, and that one only I am going to explain now. That suppose area of a trapezium, area of a trapezium. This is actually the symbol of trapeziums. This is actually the symbol of trapeziums. Suppose if ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C and D is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. And the distance between these two parallel sides is known as the height of the trapezium. So this is height of the trapezium. This is height of the trapezium. If suppose from C, if we are going to drop a perpendicular on AB, then this will be known as height of the trapezium. That is distance between the parallel sides. Obviously distance of the parallel between the parallel side, this side, and if we are going to drop a perpendicular from A on CD, obviously directly it is not possible. It is required to produce this way and then drop a perpendicular. This is also another perpendicular. So this is also known as the height of the trapezium. And obviously this distance between these two parallel sides always are equal. That is CF and AF are equal always. These two also known as the height of the trapezium, and both of these two lengths are equal. Now I am going to derive how to find the area of a trapezium. For that it is required to join AC. Okay, so area I am going to derive here. Area trapezium ABCD. Try to understand all of you. Area of trapezium ABCD. This area of trapezium ABCD, this one, going to divide into two triangles. Area triangle ABC as well as area triangle ADC. So area triangle ABC plus area triangle ADC. This triangle plus this triangles. Now area triangle ABC you can write as half into base is AB, and C is the height. This C, half into base into height. Similarly area triangle ADC. Area triangle ADC is equal to half. Here the base is CD, and the perpendicular drop from the vertex to the base which is equal to, here it is AF. So sum of these two area will give you the area of this complete trapezium. And I am telling you that this particular triangle's height is AF. Not necessary that altitude always should be within a triangle, it may be outside the triangles, not like this only. Okay, anyway, so now you can say that half into, say suppose AB's length is A, into CE is the height H, this is A, plus half CD is, say suppose B, into AF. AF is also, definitely both of these two are equal as I have explained. That is, distance between the parallel lines means the distance between their gaps always are equal throughout their journey, which is equal to half if we take out common into A plus B into height also will be taken out common. So therefore area trapezium will be equal to half into sum of the parallel side into height. This is area of a trapezium. And this complete lesson is based on this particular formula. Okay, so this is the formula for area of a trapezium. Now let us go for the problems. Okay, the problems I am going to sort out. I am going to give you some problems. I am going to solve some problems from your R.S. Agarwal book. Okay, the first questions which I have selected from your book is from exercise 18. Only 2 lessons are there. Okay, so first of all, from the first lessons. Okay, first lessons, and obviously one things I forgot to explain here, that the parallel sides always we are denoting by A and B, small letter A and small letter B. That is, that way only I have written also in these derivations that sum of the parallel sides, that is half into sum of the parallel sides, you can write in short A plus B into height is H. Area of a trapezium, this is the formula. A and B are the length of the, popularly we are actually knowing this one as A and B. Anyway, now we are finding that area of a trapezium, we are denoting this one by A. So I am finding that in this particular formula there are 4 perimeters. Okay, one is A, area of trapezium, other one is A and B, that is length of the parallel sides, 3, and this is H, height. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parameters are there. Out of that 4 parameters, 3 will be given to us. You have to find the 4th one. Okay, so this way you will have to find out the area, solve the problems. Now, first of all, I am going to solve from exercise 18A. 2 exercises only are there. The questions number 1 first of all. Questions number 1. Exercise 18A. Exercise 18A. The question is, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 and 20 centimeters and the distance between them is 15 centimeters. So you can say that the length of the parallel sides, it is given It is given 24 and 20 centimeter. That is, A is equal to 24 centimeter and B is equal to 20 centimeter, and height it is given how much better? Height it is given 15 centimeter. You have to find the area. Okay, and I have explained that what is the area's formula? Half into A plus B into H, which is equal to half into A is 24 plus 20 into H is 15, which is equal to half into 44 into 15, which is equal to 22. 15 to the 30, 15 to the 33, 30 centimeter square. Whatever the unit, you have to write that unit. This is one of the answer. Okay, I think it is clear. It is quite simple. Okay, now the next questions which I have selected is questions number 3. Why I have selected? Because it is same type of problems. A and B it is given, A, B and H it is given, you have to find the area. Then why I have selected? Because you will find in these questions, you will find the thing it is given in decimals. Few of you are actually being afraid after observing the decimals. That's why I have selected these questions, right? Questions number 3. Questions number 3. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel size 38.7 and the 22.3. Okay? No. Question number 3. The shape of the top of it is given in the diagram. It is no need to draw the diagram on your copy again. The shape of the top of the surface of a table of a trapezium is in the shape of trapezium. The parallel size are 1 meter and 1.4 meter, and the perpendicular distance between them. This is actually a shape top of the table. This is a top of the table. Okay, this is the top of the table, and these are the legs. These are the 4 legs of the table, like this holder it is given. Okay, so now what is given here, that the parallel sides are in the length of 1 meter and 1.4 meter, and the distance between them, that is the height, it is given as 9.9 meter. That is, A is equal to 1 meter, B is equal to 1.4 meter, and the height it is given 0.9 meter. You have to find the area of the top of the table, and which is in the shape of trapezium, so therefore its area will be equal to half into A plus B into H, which is equal to half into A is 1.4 into height is 0.9, which is equal to half into 2.4 into 0.9, 1.2 is equal to, you can say it will be after the multiplications, I am finding it is coming as 1.08 meter square, and that will be your answer. Okay, so this is second questions. Now let us go for the third questions, fourth questions, the very next questions. Obviously, I think that decimal systems it is there. Problem should not come from your sides. Anyway, now let us start the next questions. Yes, you will have to solve the things. We will have to go a little bit fast because our examinations are ahead. Okay, obviously you can say that only the few lessons it is left. So then also, because some revision works also required. Questions number 4. Questions number 4. Questions number 4. The area of a trapezium it is given as 1080. Area it is given. It is not, they are asking you to find the area. It is given 1080 centimeters square. And the length of the parallel side it is given 55 and 35. Length of the parallel side, that is A is equal to 55 centimeter and B is equal to 35 centimeter. What is required to find? They are asking you find the distance between these parallel sides, that is you will have to find H. I have told you that out of the 4 parameters, 3 will be given to us. Here I am finding H is not given, A and B and area it is given. Okay, so put the values here. A is equal to half into, in this formula, A plus B into H. Area it is given 1080 is equal to half into A it is given 55, B it is given 35 and height not given. So therefore 1080 into 2 cross multiplication beta, which is equal to 5 plus 5 10 carries 1, 5 plus 3 8, 8 1 9 90 into H. So therefore H will be equal to 1080 by 90. 0 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9, 1 9 twos are is equal to 12 centimeter is the height. So it is that type of a trapezium where the parallel side it is given as 55 and 35, and if the height you take 12 centimeter, you will find area will come as 1080. You may cross verify the things. It is not required to cross verify the things. Okay. Now the next questions which I am going to select is questions number 7, because you should not say that I am going very fast, because the questions are quite simple. That's why. In general, I am actually solving 3 or 4 questions. Okay. So now next questions. Because the questions are quite simple, that's why I am solving. It is looks wise it is a little bit fast. Next questions which I am selecting, which is questions number 7. Questions number 7. The area of a trapezium it is given as 180 centimeter square and its height is given as 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 centimeter, that is, the longer one is 6 centimeter more than the shorter one. Let us suppose the shorter side is 8 centimeter. Question number 7. Let the shorter side is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, longer side is equal to A plus, it is given 6 centimeter more. Okay, and height it is given as 9 centimeter. Height is given as 9 centimeter. As well as they have given area. Area of this trapezium, it is given as 180 centimeter square. So what is required to find? You have to find these two parallel sides. It is not given, parallel side is not given, but the relation between the parallel side it is given. One is A, other is A plus 6. So let us start the thing. So area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Now put the value. 180 is equal to half, smaller side is A, longer side is A plus 6, into height is given as 9. So therefore, after cross multiplications, 180 into 2 divided by 9 will be equal to 2A plus 6. 9 2s are 18, 20. So therefore I am writing this sides. So therefore 2A will be equal to 40 minus 6, which is equal to 34. So therefore A is equal to 34 by 2 is equal to 17. Therefore A is equal to 17 centimeter and B will be equal to 17 plus 6 is 23 centimeter, and that will be your 17 and 23 centimeter. Okay. Now today's last questions. This is last questions for us. Next day some more I will take. Now the last questions is questions number 10. Questions number 10. Questions number 10. Questions number 10 is a very good questions. In the given figure, one figure has been given here. in figure it is given here that ABCD is a trapezium, AB is parallel to CD, angle B is equal to 90 degree, AD is such and such. Okay. So I am actually sketching the diagram, that this type of a diagram it is given. ABCD is a trapezium. Yes, it is a trapezium because these two sides are parallel. Here it is given, they have given the leveling A, B, C, D, and they have given these things also, that this is 90 degree. And as well as they have given the length as the parallel side as 14 and 16 centimeter. 40 centimeter the longer one, and the shorter one is 16 centimeter. And this one has been joined, the diagonals. Diagonal has been joined, and the length of the diagonal, it is given 41 centimeter. This is given as 41 centimeter. You have to find the area of the trapeziums. Obviously, you should not consider that the 41 is the height of the trapezium. Height means the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. Here, this perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides is nothing but AB itself. So, in this particular diagram, in this particular questions, whatever the data it is there, AB is not given. You have to find the length of the height, AB. So, for that, you have to consider triangle ABC. Okay, after sketching the diagram, let us start the things. AB. So Pythagoras theorem is equal to AC square minus BC square, which is equal to AC is 41 square minus BC is 40 square. And you know very well, obviously you can find the value of 41 square, 40 square, then subtract and all. But I am going to select, being a math teacher, I am very lethargic, so I am not going to apply any brain here. I am effort here. I am going to apply the brain because it is in the form of a square minus b square. So I am going to use that formula here: a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. You know very well a square minus b square is equal to, it is 81, and that one is 1. So therefore AB will be equal to under root of 81, which is equal to 9 centimeter, and this is only the height of the trapezium. So therefore area of the trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H, which is equal to half into A. What is A? 16 obviously, plus 40 into 9, which is equal to half into 56 into 9. Okay, half into 56 into 9, and it is cancelling here. This is cancelling here, 28. So therefore area is equal to 28 into 9, and this one is equal to how much? 252. 252 centimeter square, and that will be your answer. Okay? Right? So for the time being it is sufficient. Next day rest of the questions from this exercise. Okay? Okay, that's all. Thank you.